Let's take it over to pro trader Michelle Schneider, the chief market strategist at MarketGauge, as we wind down an intense trading week. Mish, what are your 3 trading tips?
Okay, well, tip 1 is that it is good that we held 4,800 in the SPY, right? I mean, that was like a key area, 480 if you're looking at SPY, because it's exactly where we took off from a couple of years ago. So there is potential that we may have seen the lows. However, tip number 2 is that we really have to still watch the consumer area. And that's why I look at XRT, granny retail, whatever you want to call it. And it's broken down under a 23-month, while, by the way, SPY has not. And it tested earlier when we had that big sell-off last week, the 80-month, which means if we can hold above 64, then at least we're not looking at recession. And if we can get above 72, we go back from a 2-year contraction back to some level of growth. Tip 3, of course, is to watch the bonds. At this point, lots of talk about the interest rates being up in a down market, not a flight to safety. Will there be a debt crisis? And so we want to see the TLTs find some footing as well.
How about your trade of the day? Are you buying in this market?
Well, believe it or not, we did buy some stuff this week when the market looked like it was turning around before we got the announcement on the 90-day moratorium. So we have a good risk. But now you have to say, what's my risk? And believe it or not, the thing that I'm interested in the most right here is Bitcoin and the instrument related to Bitcoin, which is IBIT. It has to hold up recent lows, of course, so you have a good floor. And if it can continue to get through, let's say, 82, 83,000 in Bitcoin, that means IBIT will follow along. And perhaps it's starting a decoupling.
Thank you for your trader talk.
Thank you so much for having me.